How hard is it to connect a Bluetooth headset to KDE, specifically openSUSE Tumbleweed and Slowroll? Click the Bluetooth, click Add Device. Wait a second for it to discover. And it's going to show you all your devices that connect. So this is my Bluetooth headset I decided to reconnect after a new install or reinstall of my desktop. It's that simple. I did not have to go into pairing mode for my VX86. Just found it. Linux works with Bluetooth devices. Thank you. Have a great day. Hope this guide helps you decide to use Linux moving from Windows.